What's up, guys? I'm gonna be coming with more car content soon, but in the meantime, look at all these diapers. But guess what? No smells, no spills, and this is probably 4 to 5 days of diapers. And we found this to be a really effective tool. It's called the Diaper Genie. We'll put the link in the description below. And today we're going to show you guys how to change the bag in the Diaper Genie. Okay, so here's our Diaper Genie refill. The link to this will be in the description below. This is sold separately from the Diaper Genie unit. So the first thing we need to do is just pull this removable ring out. Okay, next pull some of the bag out like this. You don't need to pull the whole thing out like my wife did the first time. It's fine if you do that. But just pull out about the length of the Diaper Genie. Now push the bag through because it will attach in the Diaper Genie this way. And just tie a knot at the end. Just like that. Okay, then we're just going to insert this into the Diaper Genie. So we're going to pop it open, lift up on this ring, and then push the bag through the little compartment here. And then push the ring in there, push that down, and that's it. Your diapers just go into this compartment like that, and then this pops up so you have a seal so no smells or anything get out. Okay, so then when the Diaper Genie gets full, you just lift up here. And then when this is full with diapers, you can just cut the bag using this little blade here. Cut the bag, pull out more bag, tie the knot, close it, and you've got space for more diapers. So this bag can actually fit a lot of diapers, up to 210. So if this helped you, give it a like, and if you want more baby content, post a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.